There was a person who smiled every day, but inside their heart was tired. At night, when no one could see the tears, they whispered, "Jesus, if you are real, why don't you hear my silence?" That night, they spoke from the deepest pain. "Jesus, if you truly care, give me a sign." The room was quiet, but suddenly it felt like someone was near. A gentle voice said, "I am here." The person said, "My life feels broken. I pray, but nothing changes." Jesus replied softly, "What is broken is never rejected by me. It is held closest to my heart." They said, "I am weak. I fail again and again." Jesus answered, "I did not come for the perfect. I came for the tired, the hurting, and the lost." Then Jesus said, "You never walked alone. When you cried, I was with you. When you fell, I lifted you, even when you didn't notice." Tears filled their eyes. "Why do you still love me?" they asked. Jesus smiled and said, "Because you are precious. Your past does not define your future." Life didn't suddenly become easy, but it was no longer lonely. And if you are listening right now, this is not just a story. This is Jesus speaking to you. I see you. I know your pain, and I will never leave you. Amen.